Tiglet's time travel.
Well, honestly, this does save the biscuit tin. Miss Tiglet thinks he's Einstein. Oh, and I'm stuck at home. What's that glowing? Oh dear me. Ooh. Meanwhile, somewhere in the Middle Ages, Tiglet appeared in the desert and met Duvet Blog.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. And Mrs. Tiglet arrived.
What you doing there? What you bought the generator, silly figures?
Don't silly figures me, matey. It went to glory by yourself. No, it's a bit on the way.
Because you're in the Middle Ages, in the middle of the desert, in the middle of the crusade.
Well, that's the middling around. Let's go home. Oh, excuse me, I'm Tabby Tiglet.
Yes, a pleasure, madame. The Duvet Blog at your service.
What's that big cloud over there?
Saracens, I must warn the garrison.
He rushed off as the Tiglets bickered. Then they activated the time watch. Whee! I'm on my own time travels. Woo!